All right, all right, all right. What is up? Today it is the 19th of May 2023 and we are in Agia Pelagia. I can see so far there are people at the beach and the vibe is already up, and I want to share this moment with you as well, to keep you inspired, to keep you entertained, and to keep you pumped for your vacation 2023 in Crete Island, the most beautiful island on the planet Earth. These seats, they are gonna make so much sense when it is like sunset time, when it is afternoon and you are sitting here holding your coffee or cocktail in your hand or a beer and then chatting with your mate and just having a good time. I really like the touch. And as you can see, the parking is almost full of cars, not that many, and we have this beautiful Castello hotel. It is a 5-star hotel here with lots of green. I like the green. I don't know if they have swimming pools or not, that we will check in the drone footage, but yeah, Agia Pelagia looks amazing. It's a nice place to be, a nice place to hang out, a nice place to explore, and also the beach is crystal clean. And here we have a supermarket. It is not actually a supermarket, it's a mini market slash somewhat supermarket, but they are calling it supermarket, so we are gonna go with that. Yeah. And the taverns are already open. It's pretty quiet, pretty chill. If you are someone who is visiting Crete Island and visiting Heraklion, this could be a good time to be at Agia Pelagia, because it is not as busy and as rushed. Yeah, this place can get really busy when it's somewhere midsummer, let's say June or July. But still worth it, even then, to come here and have a good time. And you can slightly see the sea, how clean and how crystal it is. Like, I can like surely confidently claim that around Heraklion, Agia Pelagia has the most clean and vibrant blue waters. Not bad at all. I see people. I see locals, I see tourists. But I don't see you. You gotta be here. And here in this area we have some water sports going on. They have jet skis, they have like this banana boat, what they call it, that you sit and they kind of drag you into the sea and take you to one side, take you to another side. Yeah, it feels good. It is something fun. I should be trying that sometime soon. I also have mentioned in my previous videos that we have a diving center as well in Agia Pelagia, and it is this one. So if you are somebody who is into diving and exploring underwater world, then you can also do something like that. And I think that they have some new toys to play with. This scooter makes so much sense. It can, but it is, you know, you have to be trained to be able to use this, a trained diver. Otherwise the descent and the ascending, if the descent and the ascending speed is out of proportion, it can really hurt you. Amazing, amazing world out there under the water. Again, crystal clean water of Agia Pelagia, summer 2023. And here we have like this beach bar, beach club. Time to time they put some really good music. It's like really loud, and the bass is so good, and if you see, it has this white and tropical texture to it, and a nice place to hang out. Really nice place to hang out. Yeah, it's worth it. Yeah, and they already have good music, but it can really get crazy sometime. Yeah, I will come here again. Agia Pelagia is one of my favorite places in Crete Island to visit, especially if you are staying in Heraklion. Yeah, not too far. It's about 10 minutes, 15 minutes drive if there is no traffic. Yeah, but one thing that I am noticing is like there are mostly these umbrellas and sunbeds. The beach before, it was a little bit wider, so you had more space to kind of put these sunbeds, but now that I see it's completely washed and the water is too close here. Yeah, and I don't know, I wish there was a space for without umbrellas, so those who just want to come and bring their own towel and want to have a good time on the beach, so that would have been also like facilitized. Yeah, other than that, this place is epic. Look at the view, look at the mountains, look at this whole scenery here. It's unreal. It is from another world. My brother from another mother. And the buildings that you see over there far in the distance, that place is called Mades, and behind this hill over there, that place is called Ligaria. I was in Ligaria, but there was not much going on. They were preparing the beach, and yeah, here and there were some people. Actually, it was a bit cold when I was there, but now it's getting warmer. This place, because it's kind of like a bay and it is surrounded by the mountains, it's not too windy and not too wavy. That's why you can really feel the heat. Yeah. So if you are someone who is thinking about how the temperature is, the water temperature is still cold, like cold, yeah. But if you would get into the water and come outside and stay under the sun for a while, then you are good to go. But I lately learned that cold exposure is good for our body. So you may want to get cold, and then you may want to get warm, and yeah, and then you are gonna have a long living life, healthier one. We have a nice beautiful chapel here. It is Parish of Saint Pelagia, discovery of holy icon of Saint Pelagia, 1300 years, restoration year 2020. Yeah. I can see there is a boat coming, and that has a scuba diving flag on it. Some lucky people, those who could afford to go dive, possibly they have had the best time of their life, to be down there and just breathe and be connected to the underwater world. Yeah, and there is another boat approaching the beach. Yeah. And for those of us who cannot afford doing a scuba diving course, then this is the best place. Buy a diving mask, like a snorkeling mask, but buy a good one, not a plastic one, with tempered glass. Then yeah, do your own scuba diving on the surface. And we have a beautiful flag flying on the air. Beautiful blue and white flag of Greece. Salute. And yeah, this was missing, and now it looks beautiful here. And then we have Agia Pelagia. Yeah. Holy moly, boy, it looks epic. Hit the like button if you like this video already. And look at this piece of paradise in this corner. Well, you can swim from that side of the beach, and you can come here, and this is like completely another level. And lucky those who are staying in that hotel, they have stairs to the beach. Oh, if I could afford one night, I would absolutely want to stay there and just walk to the beach and just spoil myself with lots of cookies and cake and ice cream and yeah, burgers. All right folks, so this was it for Agia Pelagia. It is kind of ready, it is waiting for you to be here, and hope you liked the video. If you did, then give it a thumbs up. Share your thoughts, recommendations in the comment section, and if you want to support me, support the channel, my Patreon account link and my PayPal account link in the description. And if you are already having a good time, then consider subscribing. I will leave you with some epic drone footage of this place, and other than that, until the next time, peace.